Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick video sharpening the little utility knife that goes with my kukri. I got this kukri not long ago from Ex-Gurkha Kukri House, and the edge on the kukri is fantastic. However, the edge on the utility knife isn't so great. Here's the edge on the kukri. Very good. And here's the edge on the little utility knife. As you can see, not great at all, so I'm going to be sharpening this right now. For those of you who don't know, the little utility knife that comes with a kukri is called the Karda, and the other little tool is called the Chakmak. The Chakmak is a honing steel, and you can also use this to strike a ferro rod. The sharpening is now done. This blade took me a while to get sharp just because there was still so much steel at the edge. But as you can see, this blade now cuts cleanly. In fact, this blade will even shave hair. The only other change I've made to this kukri so far is I changed the lanyard. The lanyard it came with was a really thin black leather lanyard, and it was really stretchy. It didn't feel very sturdy. So I changed it to this black and brown lanyard. This was actually a bootlace, but I really liked the color, and it's very strong. It's actually pretty much paracord. When I cut it and I melted the ends, it had the strands in the inside. So this is basically paracord. I did a diamond knot at the end, as you can see, just to make it a little nicer looking. But I really like how the black and brown lanyard goes with the color scheme on this kukri. And also the fact that this is basically a repurposed bootlace goes with the theme of repurposed materials on Nepalese blades. Most Nepalese blades are made from recycled materials. So for example, the blades are recycled leaf springs. So that's just my way of tying that in to the overall theme of this kukri. I also made this lanyard a little bit longer because with the way that I prefer to use a lanyard, the shorter lanyards don't work for me because I'm not a fan of a lanyard that you put your hand through and then grab the handle. I prefer a lanyard that you actually put your thumb through and then you just wrap the lanyard behind your hand and grab onto the handle. This is safer. I will do a video on this in the future. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.